Good morning, class. How you guys doing? Day 2, huh? So here are the you guys were yesterday supposed to work on these worksheets, all right? And there were two. Okay, it says final exam. It's not really a final exam, but let's just go over the answers. Okay, just to remind you guys, 11 plus -4. If I do the T chart, the positive wins by 7. So your answer should have been B if you got it pretty good. -6 plus 8. Okay, if I do the T chart, okay, there's what happens there. Okay, what happens? That's what happens. We get a little loco. Mariachi loco. Come on. Whoa. Everybody, come on dance. Woo. Yeah. Come on, we need some music. Okay. Anyways. So your answer here should be positive, and they won by 2. Positive 2, right? Then 12 minus a -6, that becomes a positive. And so 12 plus 6 is 18. That should be the letter D there. The next one, -5 minus a -5. Right here is a plus, so -5 plus 5. I'll do the T chart real quick. And that's -5 and 5. Who wins? Nobody. So my answer is 0. Oops, over here, your answer is C. All right. And then, Mariachi Loco. Woo, woo. Anyways, so here I could do 5 minus 4, or I could do 6 plus 5 plus 6, which is 11 minus 4. And 11 minus 4, I don't have to do the T chart because I know Mariachi Loco is 7. 7. And then here, that's D. And then here, plus, -9 plus. So I could put all that in the T chart. So -3, -9. Pause it. If you didn't do it, go ahead and pause it and do it yourself. And see, challenge yourself. See if you got it right. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So -14. And that is letter A. A. There you go. And then here we got 12 minus 14 minus a -7. So I'm going to do an add right there. So let me rewrite it. 12 minus 14 plus 7. Well, can I do 12 plus the 7? Yeah. That's 19 minus 14, which is 5. 5. And the last one. Done. And the last one is a negative. So I could go ahead and do this one, right? So that's a positive right there. So 5 plus 6 minus 6 minus 10. Mr. Well, can I do 6 take away 6? Yeah, that's 0. So then I'm left with 5 minus 10. And then I could do the T chart. Positive 5, -10. The negative wins by 5. So my answer is which one? Which one? Yeah, D. Here we go. That's it. That's it. All right. So that's the first one. So now what do we do? So the next one you had is, I'll go ahead and send you guys the answer for this, but let me do a couple. Let's do number 6. So the f of -3 is equal to -3 times x plus 2. So this is going to go into the x. So the f of -3 is equal to -3 times -3 plus 2, which is equal to, what's negative times negative? Negative times negative is a positive. So that's positive Oh. Yeah, it's positive 9 plus 2. And positive 9 plus 2 is 11. So the function when x is negative 3 is 11. Okay, all you had to do was plug it in. All right, and then the next one, let's do another one right here. F of x equals 2x plus 3 minus 5. F of negative 2, so your x is negative 2. So 2 times negative 2 plus 3 minus 5. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3 minus 5. So I could do negative 4 plus 3, a little t-chart. Negative 4. Who won here? The negative wins by 1. So I have negative 1 minus 5. And then another t-chart. Negative 1, negative 5. And that's negative music. 6. Woohoo! Negative 6. Negative 6. Yeah. All right, I'm having fun, guys. In quarantine. So the function of negative 2 is negative 6. Okay, so that's basically it, how you do it. So is that cool? Hey! Hey! Well, let's do another one. Here we go. Let's do this one right here. Let's do which one? F of 5 equals 3x minus 7. So f of 5 is equal to 3 times x minus 7, right? Yes or no? Stop. F of 5 equals 3 times x minus 7. 3 times x minus 7. 3 times 5 minus 7. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So the function of 5 equals 8. All right? How about this one? Negative 7, negative. T-chart. So negative 21. There you go. Good job. Keep going. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll do more of this one. I hope you guys know how to do it. All right, so I did 3. And just go ahead and do that one. And now the new worksheet, I'm going to go ahead and do one of them for you guys. All right. So basically, because there's this is one page only. Oh, it's a 2-pager. Okay. So basically, what we're doing here, all right, you're going from a table. Okay, because that's what we did. Did we do that? You're going from the pattern, okay, and then we're going to the table, and then we're going to graph it, okay. So if you notice what's happening here, so here there are 2, correct? So here there are 3, here there are 4. For figure 1, there's only 2 little boxes. For figure 2, there's 3 little boxes. For figure 3, there's 4 little boxes. For figure 4, there's going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's going to be 5 boxes. And then again, and then for this one, okay, because they're kind of separated, but this one, there's 3. For figure 1, there's 3. For figure 2, there's 4. And for figure 3, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one's going to be 6. Okay. So what did we do? For each column, we added 1. So I'm going to shade it in. Okay. I'm going to shade it in. And for the other one, I'm going to basically, 2, 3. So I added 1. I'm adding 1. Okay. So technically what I'm doing is I'm adding 2, the 2 that I shaded, okay, to each figure number. So I'm adding 2. This is all about patterns. So now if we want to go backwards, if we're adding going this way, then we have to do what? Yeah! Ba, sa, sa. We're going to have to sa, sa. Costa Rica. So now we're going to do is we're going to subtract going the opposite way. We're going to subtract. So there's 3. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then this one's going to have how many? Yeah, 2. And I shade in 1. And then the other one, the blue one's going to have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, yeah, and then, yeah, what is it? What is it? Yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 right here. See? So now all you have to do is we could write the sentence, and the sentence is each problem has to have the same sentence, but you just got to change the numbers. So for each figure number that increases by 1, okay, sorry. The pattern, what happens to the pattern? It increases by what? How many did we shade? We shaded all together, we shaded 2. So by 2. Yes, so. Wow. All right. So now all you're going to do is you're going to transfer all this information to the table. So figure number, so we're going to start with 0, 1, 2. Keep going. You're going to fill it in. But mister, I only went up to 4. Nah, keep going. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. So now what do we do? Now the number of tiles. Well, total. The total number of tiles are where? Right there. So what's the number of tiles? Huh? Anybody? Okay. So here you have the total number of tiles is 1, 2, 3. So you got 3. All right. So keep going. So now here we got 3, 4, 5. Then what? 7, 9, 11. There you go. Bump. So that's what you got to do. So all you have to do is now fill it in. All right. So 9. And then you do the graph. Okay. Remember, this is figure number. Okay. And then they go by what? So this one right here is 0. And this is your number of tiles. Don't forget to fill in the table. And then what is it doing? It's increasing by 2. Add 2, add 2, add 2. Keep doing it, all right? Add 2 for each 1, 1, 1, which corresponds with the sentence. For each figure number that increases by 1, right here it's increasing by 1. All right, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Get it. And then the tile number increases by 2. And that's it. All right? You guys got it? Go ahead and finish the rest. All right? It's increasing, and some can be decreasing. So just be careful with this one. Okay? This one might be decreasing. All right? It's getting smaller. All right? So this one's a decrease. And then go ahead and do this one. All right? Go ahead and do that one right there. And that's it. Fill it in. Oh, and basically you're doing this right here. All right, so this should take you about what? 15 minutes. All right, we're done. That's it. Good luck, man. Woohoo! Going backward. Yeah. All right. Later. Later. I'm done. Later.